nga ba ang pagpapromote po ng responsible gambling ay napaka-importante, specifically ngayon, in today's digital entertainment landscape? Because first and foremost, we understand na dati, when we say gambling, ang mindset is physical stores. Pupunta lang sa mga shops. We all know yung mga physical entertainment gambling stores out there in South. Kahit saan naman, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao ay meron. Pero I'd love to know na bakit mas kailangan na natin siya i-promote ngayon, lalo na with the digital entertainment landscape that we have today. Sige, Ms. Jeet, you go first.
Okay, I think more than any time, it's really the right time. Actually, medyo huli na nga tayo, di ba? Compared to the other countries because of the exponential growth of gambling and gaming, especially online gaming. It's really about time to launch something like this.
May I answer, Arman?
Well, one, it contributes or fosters yung trust doon sa nagpapalaro, sustainability doon sa naglalaro, because they are guided on the mental side of things and doon sa limited resources, which is the financial side.
Yeah. If I may just add also, because of the exponential growth of this, parang it has become a public health issue. But unfortunately, hindi siya masyadong napag-uusapan, and there also have been a lot of cases already na marami na rin talagang affected, but hindi nga, we don't really have the data to back that up. But anecdotal, yeah, we have a lot of that cases also from the field of psychology and the psychiatry.
Problem gambling, and how can individuals recognize them in themselves at any quick steps para ma-control nila yon habang hindi pa lumalaki?
Okay. Well, one very basic manifestation of the problem would be you're not able to pay your bills on the time that it's due. Mga Judith, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung term na Judith.
Sorry sa mga nakapangalan po ng Judith dito.
Mga Judith, you missed out on your payables, and then you have a tendency to isolate. But to isolate, especially if it's really just the use of your phone or your tablet, you use them at the comforts of your bedroom or even in the bathroom, which nobody can see, because like gambling is really also labeled, gambling addiction is really labeled as a hidden addiction. So that's really one of the things. And then yun, pagka dysfunctional na yung behavior, very irritable, konting bagay na napoprovoke, nagagalit agad kasi nga medyo uptight, diba?
Yeah.
Very stressful.